Every paper cup begins as coated paperboard. Material is protected before production. Continuous flow drives efficiency. Food safety begins with coating. Identity is printed at speed. Design becomes permanent. Shape is defined precisely.
Waste is returned to the cycle.
Precision handling prevents error. Walls take shape instantly. Seams ensure strength. The base is added. Leak protection is locked in. Comfort meets durability.
Quality is verified continuously.
Safety is proven, not assumed.
Consistency prepares shipment.
Products are secured.
Inventory waits on demand.
And this is how modern factories produce paper cups from start to finish.